What's up? Welcome to today's vlog. I haven't vlogged in a minute. This vlog will be very much so out of order, okay? Because I have so much clips from this week and last week that I want to just merge into this vlog. So it's going to be kind of long. So hope you guys don't mind that. But when I do short ones, you guys are like, it's too short. So, but I have a lot to update on you guys on. I also did a photo shoot later on in this vlog with Tiara. And then I just basically am just doing things that you do in life. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I also had a really cool meeting today, phone call with my friend's manager, who's amazing, and got a little bit of insight on what I want to do with my future, because I have been completely confused, satisfied, but not fulfilled. So this was necessary. I also decided that with today's video, first of all, before we even talk about that, can we get into my silk press? I did it myself. It looks so good, right? So yeah, basically, guys, I went to the doctor on Friday. First of all, I don't know if I should keep my insurance. Like, I never had an issue with my insurance. Yes, the price keeps going up, so I probably should change it as far as my health insurance. And so I've been trying to find a doctor for the longest, because my last one just like fat shamed me, and I was like, I just need a break. I don't want to go back to her. Like, I love her, I just don't feel like leaving there feeling guilty. Like, I know I gained 20 pounds. I don't need you to continuously tell me that I gained 20 pounds. But the look that she gave me was like, you gained 20 pounds. Like, disgusted, and it just really drove me crazy. And so even if I have an issue, I won't go back to the doctor for that reason. And I'm like, oh, no. Like, I'm a person that goes to the doctor all the time. Like, I go to the doctor for the smallest things. Went through my insurance website to find a doctor, and she was so amazing. I feel like I always hear people say, like, I love my doctor, she's amazing, she's great. You guys, so first, I keep moving in here. That's exactly what she was. Like, she was so sweet. So I kept telling her, because guys, I get hot. Like, when I'm hot, like, I'm hot. I can't even explain it, but like, if everyone is freezing and it is 0 degrees outside, I am sweating. Okay, I am a hot bitch. Okay, I tell people that all the time. I think it's getting worse and worse and worse. So I decided, you know what, I ain't got a doctor for this. Let me get this situated. But then I also told her, like, when my period's coming, I could fall asleep behind the wheel. Like, I am so sleepy. So I'm like, it's like bittersweet. And then when my period comes on that day, I'm so cold. So anyways, I go to the doctor, and she's like, oh, let's check for your thyroid. And I'm like, so I just was like, wait. So I'm just like nervous. So I didn't get my results back yet until like Monday. Today's Sunday. So I wanted to update you guys on that, because I just never would have put A with B. But then when I Google the symptoms of a thyroid or overactive or something like that, let me go ahead and finish cleaning up downstairs, because they should be coming at like in like an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish. So I had downstairs, like, I like to spray all of the sofa cushions with Febreze, and then I put the fan on really high so that it can dry everything. So that's basically why it looks like that down here. Don't judge me, but who said you could get comfortable right here? I honestly really hate having too much pillows on the couch, but I feel like my couch is just so high maintenance, and I feel like it can look slouchy very quickly, and the way to avoid it looking slouchy is with pillows. So, but since I have guests, I didn't lay them all out like I usually do. I kind of put them in groups. So like, I put some over there, and then I put some over here, all karate chopped. I cannot wait to get artwork to put here though. It's necessary. Anywho, what do I have to do next? Oh, let me show you guys these flowers that were sent to me. They're beautiful. Look at these flowers. I will always love flowers that can last more than an entire week. They're so pretty and bright. So this is from the company Rose Forever. Let me go ahead and put it on my table, but I gotta like wipe my table down first. So 1 second, y'all. I wanna know if it smells good. Ooh, it smells like a perfume. It smells like flowers, but flowers with like a perfume. But they're so pretty, and they feel. Are these real? They feel so good. They feel like real flower. Yes, this is real flowers. Wow, cool. These feel like. It's so cute. Definitely elevates the table a little bit more with the whole black, white, and blue and gold and silver theme I have going on in here. I cannot wait to hang the mirror right here because I feel like this whole area will look full. But I do want to buy new chairs though, because I just can't with the gold and the silver. I'm over it. I'm over these chairs, I should say. So still looking for cute chairs to put in this section, and I'm still debating if I want to keep a table. So it's kind of like
Big body bends, remember I used to be dusty. Big body bends, remember I used to be dusty. Mama, look at you.
Today I'm going out with my girl Kim, so we're going to be going to, I forgot where we're going to, but when I get there I will clarify for you guys, okay? Because I'm not sure, but I'm on my way there now. I'm supposed to be there at 7 and it says I'm arriving at 7:13, so technically I'm on time, you know. I do need gas. Should I get gas now or should I get gas later?
convert a lot of people into That's my thing. I'm from Virginia Beach and we always eat raw ocean, so I hope you like it.
I'm scared.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me get on to top. Hold on.
Do that. Okay, do your finger.
It's like the beach.
Don't think about the beach.
Okay.
Okay, make sure it wiggles.
Wiggles?
Not wiggles, but you can easily get it out.
Okay.
Yes, okay.
Where are you going?
I'm here.
We're going on a tour around the hotel. It's so cute in here, guys. It's
The only
beautiful.
bad part about this room,
Very
that
cozy.
it's not big enough. So we would love to.
Kim's sending me all her videos because I'm vlogging right now.
Oh, I mean, the wood grain on
Yeah, they will be sent to you.
This is the right.
Okay, ready?
Wherever.
1, 2, 3. Can I have one?
It's right there.
Guys, why I went to Deja's house to go pick her ass up, right? To come over here. Left my house key.
It's a little hot.
Left my house key at her house. I'm over this.
Your birthday's in 2 days, bitch.
Who takes pictures like that anymore? It's 2021. Mom! What? It's selling chocolates. What? Chocolate! Mom! What? Why is there a ponytail in the back of your head?
I have this little drink in my hand. It's called and like literally you can manifest whatever you want. Yeah.
Guys, we're meeting up with Tiara today. I'm running late, so I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get closer to the area. Alright guys, so I made it almost 3 hours later. I had to get chips because I was so hungover from yesterday, so I went to a gas station. I was like in Canton. I drove to Canton. Like, I've never been there before. So I guess I went to the wrong address. She sent me the wrong one by an accident, but I'm at the right place now in Midtown. And yeah, the drive wasn't bad though. That's probably the longest I ever drove in my life, and it was actually kind of relaxing. I watched the YouTube video, or listened to YouTube videos. I played music, and I called my big-headed cousin, and yeah, so.
Wow.
I can't hear Antonia. Your mouth too big.
I feel used. You used us.
I really wanted to hear about y'all day.
No, you did not. You used us.
No, I was genuinely concerned.
Are y'all hungry?
Oh, I was just looking at Uber Eats and then Hi Simone, you look so good. Oh, pizza Fellini's. Hi, beautiful. Hi. What are we doing today?
We are modeling till 11:30, some new things.
I love this hair. Where's this hair
your
from?
hair.
Thank you, Bo. She loves my hair. Where's this hair from?
I don't even know. I just got it yesterday.
Leave me alone. Oh my God, I don't know what it is, but the quality on this looks ridiculous. All right, guys, so we're gonna set up this camera so you guys can see Simone work, because baby be working.
Yes.
Baby is working. Hi, Ope.
What's up? I'm coming back, I promise.
Tell to hurry up. We're waiting.
I'm waiting for Simone's camera instructions.
Alright, so I'm on outfit number 4 now. I love it in this color. This color tee is it.
It's supposed to be brown, but it's giving burgundy.
I love it though.
It's giving ruby.
It's giving ruby red.
Yes, it looks really good. Yeah, so this is outfit number 3. About to do 4. This is a dope one. Look, I'm so sweaty, my butt is coming off. Let's go. Alright, so this outfit is cute, casual. It's a 3-piece set. Joggers. Love.
You look so fucking cute. And the green.
I love it.
It's giving like punchy.
I didn't have time to go home and change it. So yes, this is the look. I love this. This is so me on a regular day. Sneakers or heels. Yay. We're on outfit number, I lost track. Oh. Yes, it actually sucks a little bit.
I love it.
this too. We wear some nice like leather pants and some jeans.
I don't know if I'm one of these people.
Alright guys, we are on the last outfit for me, I think.
Right. Back up.
Yeah, there we go. See our skin color because we are hot.
Melanated. So we just finished here, guys. So I don't know what we're gonna do after. You guys need help cleaning up? I'm over here vlogging. Cash out at the Money Club. Oh, sorry.
Love that. That's good.
Oh, really, Simone?